My granddad really loved Macon. Macon was very, very important to him to start his business, to raise a family, to build his home for the rest of his life. People from Macon take pride in their city. Macon is an inclusive place. I feel safe here. I feel welcomed here. My business and my family feel respected here. But Macon isn't perfect. Nobody is perfect. No city is perfect. But the one thing I can say about Macon is Macon definitely does its best to right its wrongs. And we are continuing to do that every single day. My business sits out in front of what used to be a slave auction block. It was also a place where there was a Confederate monument that stood outside of my business. That monument has been moved. There was never any uproar throughout the city about it. The uproar always came from the outside. We went from having a Confederate statue erected right in the heart of downtown Macon to having a beautiful plaza where people from all walks of life will be able to come down and celebrate and enjoy downtown. The people here in Macon understand that wrong is wrong and right is right. And to see people mobilize from the statues being taken down to everything that happened at the synagogue a few weeks ago, race, color, creed, doesn't matter. Everybody came out to support the cause because they knew that it was wrong. Macon feels like a small town. The home, of course, Otis Redding and the Allman Brothers and Little Richard, but we're far from that. I mean, we are the fourth largest city in the state. Maybe you should stop in Macon sometime. Enjoy the food, the music, the scenery, just being around a group of people that are all connected and fighting for a common goal. Take the time to stop in Macon and maybe that'll, change your views of it a little.